Okay guys, aku ada this quiz. Kalau korang buat this quiz, they will tell you your personality and then which part of Singapore korang should explore. Ni quiz dia, this is the result. Apparently aku adalah paper fortune teller. So, which part of Singapore should aku explore? Drum roll. Kampung Glam guys. Thank you. So they will give you a trail. Korang ikutlah trail tu. Macam ready to explore. Let's go. Also the trail lah guys. The trail starts at Bugis MRT station. Distance is about 4.5 kilometers. Duration around 1 hour 30 minutes according to them lah. Diorang cakap macam gitu lah. Tak tahu, let's go, kita cari je guys . If personality quiz kau terjatuh kat Kampung Glam, don't need to worry. Lot of things to eat and drink. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, jalan-jalan dah habis. That's the end of the trail. And selalu juga aku jalan Kampung Glam ni. Tempat dia dah lama, but tak pernah aku relax, slow down, stop and appreciate the art. Mungkin tempat yang lama bukan alasan untuk dibarukan. Kita perlu sebab yang baru untuk tengok tempat yang lama. So, what's your personality?